all these global companies you hear about, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, we hear of them. Sometimes I make posts, posting some dividend payments. You hear people discussing this, and you're always like, what's going on here? How can you be here? Me that is in Lagos, me that is in Abuja, investing in this stock market. How? Don't worry, tonight we are going to answer how. I'm going to show you step by step how it is done. So let's go there. First of all, meet me financial journey, a multiple award-winning certified financial education instructor. I'm an investment banker. I'm a chartered accountant. I am a chartered stockbroker. And there is something that is being added on this list, which I would let you know later. So I'm the founder of FinTribe, a women-focused finance platform. Do we have FinTribe women in the house? Let me see you in the comments. Okay, let me tell you something. This class was supposed to be a training for FinTribe women because we have our monthly knowledge sharing class where we discuss different. We can just pick one investment and discuss in a month. It can be fixed income, it can be stock. So this is supposed to be a FinTribe training. But then I think it is from LinkedIn that I got the idea because I recently started being active on LinkedIn and I get these questions a lot. How do we invest in the stock market? I'm like, okay, since you have a class plan for FinTribe, let's invite other people. So if you're a FinTribe woman, thank you for sharing your section with others. FinTribe is a community of financial women only, where we save and invest together. Last year, these women saved over 1 billion naira. When everybody is complaining the country is sad, don't try FinTribe women. So please, if you have my team in the class, kindly drop our link. You can take a look later. It's free membership, totally free. You don't pay anything to join. The goal is to just have women that are actually doing money moves together, ginger each other. Listen, if you're in FinTribe, you must save, oh. You must save, oh. If we don't take people that do, okay? So I am the lead coach, Wealth Builders Academy. That sounds good. This is the first time I am introducing myself as that because that is something, an academy we just launched in Wealth Builders Academy. I believe as we proceed, I'm going to tell you more about that because trust me, that is something that everyone should, be a part of, okay? That is something everyone should be a part of. This is a school where we discuss money. There are many things that, in fact, I'm still going to show you our curriculum in that class. We're going to be, this stock is just like one out of 20, 30 curriculum we'll be discussing in Wealth Builders Academy. And then I'm passionate about simplifying investment. That is why we are having this class today, because a lot of people feel like investing is tough, it's complex. It is not, trust me, it is not. That is something I do on a day-to-day, helping the rich, the governments, corporates to invest their funds. And trust me, that is how they build their wealth. And finally, I am your money cheerleader. I am your money cheerleader. If not, why should we be doing this? I actually have a training on stock. You know how much it is, but I decided to do this because I'm hoping that more people will get into the stock market, because that's one of my goals this year, to get as many people as possible into the stock market. And I can see over 500 people here. Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please confirm if you can hear me in the comments. Please confirm. I think someone mentioned something about audio. Maureen says she can hear me. Someone please quickly confirm. Sing Girl, say like and subscribe. Yes, please. I have only one request to make. This is a free class. To take like 2 hours out of my to say let's have this. The only request I have for you, hit that subscribe button. Trust me. Now you go come take me later. Okay? Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me? If that's so, say congrats on WBA. I like that. Okay, you can hear me. Thank you, Celeste. Thank you, Ibokun. Thank you, everyone. Oh my God. What's money here? Over 500 people. Today that is Thursday, not even Friday. Oh my God, thank you so much for joining us. Okay, let's get right into it. I made something that tonight I have a check, 50,000 naira check for someone in this class. Okay, I don't know, but I hope that you are the one that is going with this check. Sit here, live and direct. And something else, I think I'll be gifting like 3 people 10,000 naira to start. In fact, I will be transferring stock worth 10K each to 3 people in this training tonight. Don't worry, I know you don't need the money. I know, but it's just my way of encouraging you. Okay. So what are we discussing tonight? This is the list of what we'll be discussing this night. What you will be learning. What you will be learning. Number one, understanding stock. What is this stock market all about? We'll be discussing that. Number two, how to earn from the stock market. Okay, why are we here tonight? Is to learn how to make money from this stock market. Three, what are the risks involved? Because trust me, every investment has an element of risk. And then how to know the companies to invest in. I'm going to discuss that with you. How much do you need to get started? Do I need 1 billion? Do I need 1 million? Do I need 5 naira? How much? We'll be discussing that. How to create your stock account. Yes, I'm going to log into my account and show you step by step. I'll show you how to fund your wallet. Okay, you've created account. I sent an email, I think it was yesterday, with a link to create account. I don't know if you have done that. It will be helpful so that as I am doing, you are also following along. If you have not create your stock account, no problem. I will still share the link when sharing the deep replay. Or if you have any stock, any app you used before now, that is fine. You can still follow along. If not to worry. I'm going to share the link later again. I'll show you how to buy the stock, how to sell, and how to know your stock performance. When you know all of this, trust me, you are on your way to of course, investing. So let's take it one after the other. Maybe I don't have any slide. I want us to have a discussion, okay? I'm going to stop sharing my screen now and let's talk briefly. Okay, stop sharing screen, stop sharing screen. Nice. Look at me where I look at you. Okay, so what's the stock market all about? It's not that tough. Listen, let's assume now I start a company. I've been running this company successfully. And at a point, I feel like, okay, we need to expand, or maybe the people that gave me money to start this company, they need to exit, they need to leave the company or something. We just want to come to the public and say, public, or you people should come and invest with us. Come and own this company with us. Bring your money and come, okay? That is basically it. You and I will now take our money. I heard that Apple is selling shares. Let me go and buy Apple stock. Automatically, you become a co-owner in Apple. It's as simple as that, okay? No big deal. Like, there is nothing serious there. You become a co-owner once you buy the stock from this company. And as a co-owner, whatever they are doing, they will invite you. They will invite you to vote. They will invite you for dividend. Wait, let me show you something. Let me show you, let me go to my email now. Sometimes we get emails like, so and so company wants to vote for something. Your vote matters. Come and come and cast your vote. It's because now you follow on the company. Listen, as I did like this, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, so they are my business partner. Yes, because I invest in their shares. It may sound crazy, but that is what it is. Okay, so let me see. See Meta. Perfect example. Let me share my screen once more. I told you that we are going to have a very cool discussion. Let me know when my screen is up here. You can see this invite. Let me know when my screen is up. This is an email I got for Meta. Meta is Facebook. Sure, you know. Meta is Facebook. So they are doing annual meeting and they have some things to vote. If they want to change director, if they want to decide how much they will pay director, if they have any major decision, they are going to invite me to vote, okay? Your vote counts. Meta platform, vote now. My sister, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. My brother, I am voting for what will happen in, what is it called, in Facebook. Can you imagine? That is not all. Let me look for another one. Which one is this one? Like there are always so many of them. This one is from, this Bamboo app. NVIDIA is the corporation that asking you, let your vote count. Come and vote. What is going to happen here? Why should I vote? So many you are a part owner of this company. That is what it means. And when they have when they make profit, okay, we are going to come into that shortly. So that is just what it means to be investing in shares. Okay, you see a business that is doing well, and you decide that I want to be a part of this, and you go ahead and buy their shares. It's not even only foreign stock. Even here in Nigeria, you can buy shares in MTN. You can buy in Zenith Bank, so many of them, okay? So, but we are going to be focusing on foreign stock. Yeah, we're going to be focusing on foreign stock because of time. And I don't want to jump here and jump here. I need you that when you are living here, you are going out with something tangible. If you want to put the two together, it might be, it might take plenty of time from us. But it's the same concept. If you understand how to invest in So that is it. The only difference is the company you are investing with, okay? But in our Web Builders Academy, both for, both Nigeria, we are treating all of them together. So that's just what it means to invest in stock, to buy a part ownership of a company, okay? To have a stake, and that being a part owner gives you a stake in that company. So moving on, how do you make money from stock? That is the next thing. How do we make money from stock? So there are two major ways to do this. Number one is what we call dividends. You must have heard me talk about this a lot, when I ask questions like, Apple has paid dividend, though, who has received? Yes, although it might not be much, but it is something. So dividend is like this. You've invested in this company, right? When they make profits, they can decide to share part of the profit, all the people that invested in them. So even if it's only 1,000 naira you have in that company, you will get dividend. You have 1 billion, you will get dividend. Everybody. The only thing is that the more you invest, the more you will get. But it's the same units that pay. Let's say if they decide that they will pay maybe 50 cents per share. If you have one full share, that means you get 50 cents. If you have two, that means you get $1, just like that. And if you don't have up to 1 unit, that means you will get let's say like half or something. Okay, so let me show you. I don't know which company paid dividend recently. Which companies paid dividend recently? Let's see. I want to show you what the email looks like. I think Apple paid. I've just received a dividend. Okay, let me see. I see this one from Apple. This was 13 days ago. Apple paid dividend to their shareholders. And the interesting thing is that they pay this thing 4 times in a year. Please let me know when my screen is up. Apple pays dividend 4 times in a year. Apple, that is iPhone. This iPhone we are using. There is a reason when they say that iPhone has another version. We are happy because people are moving our ministry. The ministry is growing. More money for us. And the more they make profits, the more they make sales, the more they make profits. You can see it. Good news, Jennifer. You have just received a dividend. Dividend paid by Apple is available in your account. So if I go to my account now, I will see that dividend. Even if it's $1, it's something, my sister. Me, I'm sleeping and they're paying me free money. A whole Apple. Hey, God. So just like that, there are so many of them that pay dividend, but of course, not all of them pay dividend. Now you will ask, why am I investing in this company if they don't pay dividend? Because there are other ways you can make money. Let's say you start a new business now. Now that business will be struggling, it won't really when it's just starting, it's still trying to find its footing. So where is the money to pay dividend? Until some of them is until they stabilize. I think Facebook recently started paying dividend. But Facebook don't pay dividend. I think this was their first time. I have to confirm though. So that is not all of them pay. Although here in Nigeria, most Nigeria companies pay dividend. Okay, yeah, most Nigeria companies pay dividend here. So if they're not paying dividend, how do I make money? That's the logical question to ask. Nice. How you make money if you're not paying dividend? It's what we call price appreciation. Okay, price appreciation. David, you're distracting me, but let's talk later, Sha. I'll look at the questions later. So price appreciation. I bought this stock, let's say $50, and tomorrow is doing $100 or something. My money has increased. If I sell, that means I am going out at a higher price. In fact, I was having a discussion with a friend yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Let me quickly check. Let me quickly check. She bought Facebook. How much? Give me a minute. I'm trying to bring up that conversation because I was really impressed. Like, oh my God, are you serious? When she bought Facebook, it was like 100 and something. But guess what Facebook stock is doing now? Wait, let me show you because I told you this class, now talk and do what they do here today. Okay. Let me share my screen so I can show you this conversation. Because if you're saying this thing, it will be like Jennifer. Let me know when my screen is up, please. So she sent me a screenshot of when she bought Facebook. Okay, I think it was in 2022 or something. Let my screen come up so that you can see what I'm talking about. How is it going? Are you with me? Is UBA paying dividend? Yes, UBA pays dividend. So look at this thing now. I think she bought this in 2022, and then fuel price was 119, right? Fuel price was 119. Now let's see how much is Facebook now. How much is Facebook now? Let me go to this website. Let's see how much that Facebook she bought 119 is trading now. If I come here, Facebook is Meta, okay? Facebook is 468. 468. What she bought 1 something. Can you imagine? I don't understand. It's 22, 24. I used to say stock is long term. We're even going to talk about that. But in 2 years, that stock has done this times 3, times 4. Okay. And it is in dollars. And that's why we are doing a foreign stock tonight, because I feel like part of your money should be in foreign currency. Of course, in the academy, we do both Nigerian stock, local stock and everything. But let me show you something with this website now. Are you with me? This is stock analysis. It's one of the websites you can use to stay informed and everything. If you bought Facebook when they went public, by now it has returned over 1,000 something percent. If you bought Facebook in the last 5 years, you've made like 100 and something percent. That is, if you bought it in the last 1 year, in fact, Facebook last year grew by 100 and something. I'll come back to this, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that aside from dividend, the main reason me as a person even invest in stock is because of price growth. The truth is that dividend may not be much. I think Facebook dividend is like 40 cents. I can't remember how much they paid this last one. It's like 40 cents, okay? Someone said, I also bought Facebook when you taught us portfolio. The stock kept falling, but now it's giving me over 170%. Exactly. Exactly. Thank you so much. I'm going to make reference to this because prices will always go up and down. So are we clear now on the 2 ways you make money from stock? Number 1 is when they pay dividend, which I said not all of them pay. And then again, the dividend, most companies pay once a year, but some pay like 4 times, like Facebook quarterly. And number 2 is price growth. When you buy, the price will keep going up, okay? In fact, there is one stock I'm going to show you now. I bought that stock in portfolio when it was 200 and something. Now it's 1,000 something. This was in 2022. I bought it in 2022. Now it's 1,000 something. Now that is how many percent growth. So that is what I'm investing for. Price growth. Okay. So let's move on. We've understand what it means to invest in stock, right? We've understand how you can make money from it, yeah? And then again, let's talk about the risk. Every investment has an element of risk. And I need to discuss this one too. Because stock investing is actually high risk. I will tell you why. Not all companies you invest in, that is the number 1 risk. Not all companies you invest in will do as well as expected. Okay, Shalom, thank you so much. She's taking note for us. Not all companies you invest in will do as well as expected. Please, if you are here and you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do me a favor. That's the only request I'm making of you tonight. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That if you're looking for how to side hustle ideas, business ideas, investment for beginners, that is the channel. Our Financial Jennifer channel on YouTube is the place for it. Please, while you are there, hit the subscribe button. It's 0 naira. It's 0 naira. That's the only request I have for you. Thank you. So, who remembers BlackBerry? BlackBerry shares. Back then, everybody was using BlackBerry. The stock was doing well and everything. Where is BlackBerry today? Do you know that those that invested in it then, they've lost money? Because the share price now, nobody cares about it again. That is one risk here. And it's not only BlackBerry. Yeah, someone said something that when he bought Facebook, it was dropping. The price was dropping, but now it has returned over 100 and something percent for her. So the prices may not do as well as we expect. I always tell this story of me and Tesla. I will tell it again, me and Tesla. So it was I bought my first Tesla in 2021. When I bought it, this thing was like 800 and something. After I bought, I think around 2 weeks later, it dropped to 200 and something. Yeah, no problem. After it dropped to I think 600 and something. What I bought at 700, 800 and that was my first time. Like, what's going on here? But because I'm an assistant accountant, I work in investment banking, I understood what was going on. But now human beings, not easy seeing your app, your money is dropping. But what I did, I even bought more because number one, I believe Tesla as a company. And again, I feel that it's a brand that even if it draws, because Elon Musk is someone that knows what he's doing when it comes to blowing up companies. We are going to talk about that, okay? So my Tesla was dropping, but after it went up. It got to 800 hypotheses, got to 900, got to 1,000 something before they now did this stock split. So bear it in mind that when you buy stock, two things will happen. It will either make you a lot of money or it will lose money for you. I will not lie. But there is a way I have decided to be doing my things now to invest in those companies that that we know that no matter what they do, we do well. They may not do 1,000% for me, but I know that my money at least is solid there, okay? And again, don't worry, I'll open my app. You're going to see the stocks there and everything, okay? Are you with me? Are you with me? If you're with me, let me see you. Right on. I want to see right on in the chat. We have over 800 people in this class. Thank you so much for joining us, my follow money people. How many of you are going to join West Builders Academy tonight? Right on. If you are with me, right on, please. I need to be sure we are together. You can hear me. You are following. Before we get into the app, please, let me see your comments. Let me hear you. Let me see you in the comments. Right on. Okay, Olajumoke is saying right on. Tosin is saying right on. Marvelous, right on. Shala, right on. Thank you, Blossom, Lucia, girl. I see everyone. Thank you so much. I'm glad we are together. If you've not hit that subscribe button, please do so right away. Why is this right looking somehow in my eye? God, I beg you. Okay, so someone asked for the website I opened. It's stockanalysis.com. Are you with me? Yeah, stockanalysis.com. You can explore it later. So now we've understood the risk in stock markets. It can go up, it can come down. When I open my app, I will show you some of them are in red. If it's in red, that means money is dropping. I am losing money is dropping. If it's in green, that means let's celebrate. It's going on, okay? So, but even if it is red or green, I don't care. Because I know in the long run, it will still do well. And that is another thing I need us to understand. If you are investing in stock, and you're not trading, please understand that it is a long time investing. I don't hear. Nice. Okay. If you're investing in stock, please tell yourself it is long term. Because like I said, price will always go up and down. Don't say, if I send me, I put 100K. Now my 100K is remaining 70K. But why I said it's long term is because there are reasons the stocks are dropping. Like right now, Nigerian stock market is actually dropping. There is a reason, but I think it's beginning to pick up again. The reason is because government is increasing rates on fixed income investing. What is fiscal income investing? I'm currently making a post on Instagram about it. And don't worry, it's also something we are going to dive deeper in our Wealth Builders Academy, fixed income investing. We're going to discuss treasury bill, commercial paper, bonds, all of those, and how you can make money from them, just the way we are dissecting this one, okay? So, Nigerian government is increasing interest rates there. Now, if you're an investor in the stock market, and stock market, I say that it's going up and down. But government is telling you, don't worry, don't come, bring your money. I am assuring you 20%. A lot of people will move out from the stock market and go and invest in fixed income. And when many people are moving out like that, it might make the prices to drop. So that is usually reasons why stock markets might drop. All of them have, maybe it's because something happened. Maybe people are bashing the company, or there are times that maybe a company will do something that drags them online. There's a potential it can affect their stock price. Trust me. Or when they do their stock and when they do release their reports, and maybe people are expecting them to grow by 5%, and they grow only by 2%. Some people will get worried and be like, have they lost their touch? Some people might go and sell. It might affect their stock price. But if that same company, maybe you're expecting them to do 10% growth and they do 20%, the price will fly up. So some things can affect prices both ways. Beginning of COVID, prices were dropping. But at the end of the day, that same COVID year, like Nigerian stock markets went up by 50%. That is the highest so far, 50%. Okay. So these are some of the reasons stock prices might go up and down. But one thing I know, it is not permanent. So far you are investing in good companies, trust me, you are going to be happy in the future, because even if they drop, they will still go back up. So how long is long term? Someone asked that. I will not lie to you. At least 5 years. In fact, 10 years. As long as you can. Okay? As long as you can. Tell yourself, this is my stock portfolio. In fact, it's my retirement plan. That is what I'm going to use for my retirement. That's, in fact, it's for my children. I have some clients, they would, they want to invest, start stock portfolio for their children and everything. In fact, in our Wealth Academy, World Business Academy, we have a section strictly for investing for your children, because a lot of us, that is what they are interested in. So make sure you join our World Business Academy. We are going to talk about that later. So at least 5 years, 10 years. That is because if the price drop, it has enough time to recover. Someone told you about Facebook now. Not me talk that one. Okay? Not me talk that one. If Facebook last 2 years was down, the stock came down very well. But last year it did over 100%. So people ran and sold off that time. Okay? Some people ran and sold off then. But because we understand that our Facebook is actually a good company, and we hold on. Now it's doing very well. I showed you my friend that bought 100 and something. Now it's 400 and something. Let's move on. So please, if you're coming into stock, don't use money you need anytime soon. Please, don't use money you need anytime soon. Over 800 of us here. I repeat, don't use money you need anytime soon. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, how do you know the companies to invest in? That is another 1 billion. Hi. I'm so sorry. I'm back. I'm back. People should. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I got kicked out, but we are back now. We are back now. We are back now. Please let me know when you can hear me. Let me know when you can hear me, please. We are back. Can you hear me? Apologies for that. I'm not sure. Ibechibugu. See my classmates. I'm so sorry. Can you hear me? Please, can you hear me? I'm in the comments. If you can hear me, type let me know, please. If you can hear me, let me know. Okay, you can hear me. Thank you so much. I think I need to jump now. Like I need to rush now because this is the app. Now imagine if the network didn't come back again. Maybe it's time I log into my app and let's do the practical. But please hold on for me. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Some people already logged out. We are 800 and something. Now they've gone. Okay, I hope they join us later. Thank you. You can hear me. Thank you. Okay. I'm trying to sign into my account so that when I share my screen next, we would be on the same page. Are you learning something? Are you learning anything? Let me know. Are you learning? Let me know. Let me know. Are you learning? Are we on the same page? Are we following? Let me know if you are following. Let me know if you are following. Let me know if you are following. Okay. So let's continue, please. Let's continue. Okay, people can hear me. Okay, great, amazing, amazing. So a lot of people have been wondering, this Wealth Builders Academy she's talking about. Before we get started, I don't want to forget this. Before we get into the app, let's introduce Wealth Builders Academy. Like I asked on social media, what do you think would have happened if our schools taught us money? Unfortunately, they didn't. So call this a school. It's an online school where we are going to be discussing about money. Let me show you the curriculum for this class, for this academy, because it's a very detailed something that once you graduate after the 3 weeks, trust me, like you have all you need to prosper in your wealth journey. So this is our landing page. It's still under construction, but our promise is that as a graduate of this school, you have the tools and knowledge you need to save better, no matter how much you currently earn. Team, I don't earn enough. Trust me. In this, we have a section dedicated to show you how you can save, no matter how small your income is. So, what is this academy for? If you desire to retire wealthy and happy, this is for you. You wish to save more from your current income, no matter how big or small, Wealth Academy is for you. You want to grow your money through credible investments, Wealth Academy is for you. You want to learn how to invest for your children, my sister, my brother, Wealth Academy is for you. And you need calculators, tools, templates that will help you in your financial journey. And of course, you want to be intentional with your money, Wealth Academy is for you. Like, this is the first time ever, because I need to sit down. Like, sometimes I do courses, one-off courses. People are part of this course, but at the end of the day, 1 month, 2 months, like they still feel like, okay, Jennifer, we enjoy the class, but they've not really, maybe something is missing, or we just did a class on stock. But God knows that stock is not the only thing you need to, to prosper on your financial journey. These are some of the topics. Like I said, we're still developing the curriculum. I'm going to, do I have that Google Doc here? We are going to be learning the power of compounding and how you can use it in growing your own wealth. I will show you how to calculate some numbers. How much you need to retire if you are saving or investing 5,000. How much will it be in a certain number of years? You want your child to have 500,000, I'll be $500,000 when they come of age. How much do you need to start saving? I'm going to show you how to calculate all those things. Creating your personal income statement. Yes, you as an individual, you need an income statement that tells you your profit and loss. Of course, we are people of profit. Saving and building wealth on a small income. That's a topic we'll be covering. Budgeting that works for you. Budgeting. What works for me may not work for you. How do you arrive at the one that works for you? Investing in fiscal income investment. I'll I will show you how to invest in bond, treasury bills, commercial paper. The government, the rate is so high right now, 20-something%. In World Builders Academy, we have classes structured for this. Investing in foreign and local companies. We're already discussing foreign companies here. Of course, it's part of our curriculum. Investing in Nigerian companies as well. List of stock you will get. Investing for your children. Protecting and transferring your wealth through trust and will. We have experts to teach us trust and will. Understanding cryptocurrency for beginners. Yes, you're going to get into that crypto money. Diversifying your portfolio, diversification, so much more. Template. So if you are here, World Builders Academy is for you. Trust me. And this check is going to someone that signed up on World Builders Academy. This 50,000 naira check is going to be delivered from a lucky person in World Builders Academy. That is not all. If you join us tonight, if you sign up to World Builders Academy tonight, randomly, in fact, tomorrow, we are selecting 3 people. The first 3 people, Joy, take note. The first 3 people that send you their payment receipts, send me their names. I'm going to transfer 10K worth of stock to them to say, welcome to the Wealthy Academy. So it's going to be a 3-week class, a 3-week school. Each day, we have our short, simple, God. Let me just proceed because I'm going to come back to this. So if you want to join us, the link, Joy, I'm going to share the link, share the seller link with us, or share the account number. If you like paying right now, here's the price. Here's the price for World Builders Academy, 150,000. No, it's not 150,000. It's not 50,000. For this night alone, you will pay 27,000 naira only. 27,000 naira only to join Wealth Builders Academy. You are the first set of people. In fact, on the website, the price there is 29,000 on early bird. The standard price is 35,000 naira, but early bird we pay 29,000. But because you are in this class, 27 only, and the first 3 people to send their receipt to Joy, 27,000 only. The first 3 people, not Wealth Builders Academy is for both male and female, because it's a 3 weeks. FinTribe is only for women, but the academy is both male and female. 27,000 naira only. Joy, please drop the account details on. Let me show you our website. Drop the account details on of the academy of Zenith Bank on the chat right away. 27,000. If you go through the website, you see 29,000 there. Yes, that's the price. The early bird price. The standard price is 35,000. But early bird price is 29. But because you are in this class tonight, 27,000 to join Wealth Builders Academy, a 3 weeks program for anyone that wants to do better money moves. And there's something else we are going to be introducing in Wealth Builders Academy. There is something else we are going to be introducing, but that now will be inner practice. Only for those inside the academy, I will discuss that one with. So please join, share the FinTribe Zenith account. This is a school by FinTribe, Wealth Builders Academy, a 3 weeks program, a 3 week school that we're going to dive deep. All those things our school forgot to teach us about money, we are going to do it only 27,000 naira. I know, because everything that, if you see the curriculum, is like, it's like a full term, but we're going to do it in 3 weeks so that each day there is going to be a class and there's going to be a community. There's going to be a community. Once you make payments and we confirm your payment, you are going to get the Telegram group, okay? You are going to be joining the Telegram group. After 3 weeks, you are going to graduate. And our graduation is going to be loud. Imagine in the next 2 years, World Builders Academy alumni, we are going to have our hangout. With everything you've learned about money. When we turn up, Nigeria, we don't say we don't turn up. So please, Joy, share the, I don't know if my team is there. No, for now, no installment pay. Over time, yes, but when it goes to the full price of 35, we might have planned for the installments. But right now, it's only 27,000 for tonight. From tomorrow, it's 29,000 the early bird. Okay. So let's continue with our class. I'm going to log in now. So I'm going to log in now to my app. Please give me a minute to bring it up to my app so that we can dive into this thing. We can dive into the stock buying right away. Let me show you how it works and everything. Let me show you. Please give me a minute. I'm trying to log into my app. I'm trying to log into my app. Oh, give me a minute, please. Oh God, why is this in hanging? Please give me a moment. I'm trying to share my screen. Give me a moment, please. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. This thing is hanging a bit. Okay. They're going to drop the payment details. Printable account number is a Zenith. Am I hanging? It's a Zenith Bank account. We are going to share it right away. Give me a moment, please. I will share my screen. I don't know if my team are here. Kindly share the payment details on this thing. Joy, take note of the first people that will come for confirmation. I'm going to be gifting them 10K worth of stock. And by Sunday, we are going to be do a random selection for who is getting this 50K check from those that will sign up to the World Builders Academy. You are paying 27,000, you're getting 50K check. I'm all lucky you. Okay, so let's continue, please. Let's continue. But before I share my screen, let's discuss one more thing. How much do you need to get started? How much do you need to invest in the stock market? Now, there is no limit. There is no small money. There is no big money. As a stockbroker, I have clients that they will just pay in 1 billion. They want to buy shares of one company. Does that mean without 1 billion, we cannot buy? No. With your 1,000 naira, you can invest. In fact, with as little as $1, you can buy any share you like. With as little as $1. Okay. Now, let me see. Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Please let me know in the comment section. Can you hear me? Let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Let me know, please. Can you hear me, please? Okay. Okay. Oh, you can hear me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, please, they will drop the payment details for the World Builders Academy. They will drop it. I'm not sure why nobody's doing that. They will drop it shortly. Please hold on. I don't know why this is not coming on. Please hold on for me. I'm not sure why this is not coming up. Okay, so I'll drop the details for the academy. Please repost it. Leave this. If you have to leave now, make a payment. The first 3 people, join, take notes. The WhatsApp number is there that you should send for your confirmation. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Joy, are you sharing it? I can't see it, but I have posted it. Kindly keep sharing so people don't miss it. So I want to share my screen and show you something that no matter how much you have, that thing you think is small money, is actually big money. Compounding. Let's do a little compounding. Let me show you something. Let me show you something now. Please, I want to share my screen. Let me know when my screen is up. So I'm going to show you the power of compounding when it comes to investing in stock. And then from there, we'll log into my account. So we log into my stock account, and we are going to see how to fund your wallet, how to buy, how to sell. Please, I'm waiting for my screen. I'm sharing screen. I need to I need the screen to come up before we continue. Let me know when my screen comes up. Yeah, stock and shares are the same thing. Stock and shares are the same thing. Please, can anyone see my screen? Okay, thank God. So So people that will be wondering, how much do you need to start investing? Let's assume that you tell yourself that every month that you'll be investing 20,000 naira. Don't worry, in the Web Business Academy, we have like a calendar for this. That you'll be investing 20,000 naira in the stock every month. And you're going to do this. In fact, this is your retirement portfolio. And you tell yourself that when you retire, this is the portfolio you are going to ball on. And you can do only 20K. What can 20K do for you? For me, my retirement will be around 30 to 40 years time. So it depends on your age. In the next 30 to 40 years time, okay? So let's say I am investing, please watch the screen. I'm investing 20K every month, Abi. I will start with 20. And the stock market, the interest rate, we say it's an average of 10%, between 10 and 12%. But trust me, some companies do way more than that. Somebody was saying that our Facebook has done more than 100%. Facebook last year did more than 100%. Some companies do way more than that. But let's be conservative, okay? Let's play safe. Let's play safe. Joy, do we have our 3 people for the World Business Academy? People that I'm sending the 10K to. Let me know. So the interest rates, we say 10%, okay? That's the average. And then I say I will retire in the next 40 years, depending. You decide when you will retire your own. So additional deposit, every month I'm doing 20,000 Abi. Watch you. Every month I'm doing 20,000. And then it's going to compound yearly. It's going to compound. Don't worry, all these things, we have calculators for it. In the world, when you join World Business Academy, we have calculators, templates, list of stock to buy, and so many things, okay? So let's calculate and see that this is my 20K I'm doing every month. How much will it be in my retirement? More projection for the next 40 years when I retire. Additional deposit I made. See these results here. Can you see it? I have additional deposit, it's 9.6. So I was able to put in 9.6 into the stock market. But when it's compounded, are you with me? When it's compounded, I'm going to end up with 111,995,916 naira. Wait, let me call it again. I invested only how much? 9.6 million. This is the amount I invested, 9.6 million. But I am going to end up with 111,995,916. And this is using 10%. So remember we said that, someone has paid. Caron Will Lewis has paid. I pray among the first 3 people. Don't worry, if you're not among, on Sunday, I will decide to go with this, my check. Okay. Please, Jenny, can I pay 7K balance for Ogenekero? Committed as I'm paying my. Oh my God, bless him well. That's so kind of you. So someone was saying, oh, that's so kind. Please reach out to us later. Thank you. She's paying for our World Business Academy and she wants to complete someone else's pay. That's very kind of you. And if you want to support anyone, maybe you want to pay for 1 person, for 2 people, please let me know. We are going to give you a shout out and everything. Okay, so let's come back to this magic. Okay, let's go. Hey, payments made. That's my people. World Business Academy. We are going to be the first set of students. In fact, our graduation is going to be special. I think I'm going to go and talk to some brands. Let's thank my, let me just shut up. Like I said, it's something we're going to launch with the community. And it's only for World Business Academy. I'm going to tell you in the community later. So go to the WhatsApp, drop your receipt for confirmation. If you're among the first 3 people, trust me, I'm going to be the person to personally start your stock investing for you. Okay, please, my team, if I hear, drop our payment details and the WhatsApp number on the chat for them. So now, by investing 20K every month, when you retire, let's look at this again. When you retire, please drop the details on the chat for them. We can't see the account details. For Christ's sake, can someone drop the details for us? Why am I not seeing these on our details? Joy, Monica, my people, please drop. I'm not seeing it. I don't know why. Okay. If I see someone should pay for it, I will remove you from this class. Thank you. These are investors. These are financial people. We are not, okay, but let's move on. So by doing 20K every month, you are able to invest 9.6. But at the end of the day, you are getting 111 million. How? That is the power of compounding interest. Which, in fact, which blood money pass this one? Which blood money pass this one, okay? If I see somebody pay for me, I will block you from this chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We don't do that here, okay? In this community, we don't do that. So let's move on. This is to tell you that no amount is too small. Okay, like, can we do investing every daily? Don't know. Let's do something. Let's do something, okay? What if I want to say maybe sorry, let's move on. I think we're taking too much time. I just want to answer the question of how much can I invest? If you have $1, you can invest as little as $1, okay? As little as $1, you can start investing and everything. But let's proceed. Am I still sharing my screen? So let's log on to Optimus. I'm going to show you how to buy stock on Optimus. I'm going to show you how to buy stock on Optimus. I hope I'm still sharing screen. Please, are you following? I'm going to Optimus now so that we can see my account, how to fund your wallet. You know why I chose this time? The stock market is still open now, so we can be able to buy. I sent a link for Optimus. If you have signed up, you will follow through, okay? Someone is asking, where is the bank details and the WhatsApp number? Please, can someone share that? Okay, so this is my Optimus app. Please, if you're seeing it, say yes. If you're seeing my Optimus platform, say yes, say yes, say yes.
Yes.
Yeah, don't be smart now. People on YouTube, I want you to say yes. So people on YouTube, can you see my Optimus app? Can you see my Optimus app, please? Okay, so this is my Optimus. I use different stock for. I just started using Optimus for stock recently. I think one day, about 2 months ago or thereabout. I love this platform a lot because you can do a lot of other investments. You can see mutual funds. In fact, World Business Academies, we are going to be looking into how to invest in all of these things. But for the purpose of this class, is foreign stock alone, so that we can save time. Okay? So when you sign into your account, first of all, take your time to understand how it works, okay? You have your portfolio, you have your US, you have your invest and everything. Number one, what do you need to sign up? You need your ID card and your proof of address. And your proof of address can be, what is it called? It can be your utility bill. If you don't have utility bill, you can use, what is it called? Bank statement, okay? Your bank statement can serve as your proof of address, or you can use your NIN. You can use your NIN as your proof of address because it has your address. So basically anything that has your address, can be used as, because it's that proof of address that some people used to complain that they don't have, okay? That they don't have. But once you get that sorted, I don't know, did anyone have any problem creating their account? Let me know in the comments, please. At least I know Optimus people, they can resolve it for us. So now we've created our account. That's the first step. Next step is to fund it. So on your app, you will see fund. Where is that fund here? Sorry, it might be a bit different from what you are seeing on the app and what you are seeing on my system here, because I logged in from the web, okay? I hope that is fine, but it's similar thing, actually. It's similar thing. Wait, let me move this thing aside. So you see your wallet. If you want to add money, now you go to your wallet. If you have your app, you will see wallet. If I come to wallets now, everybody, some people will say, do they need a dollar account? What if you live outside Nigeria? So far you're a Nigerian, you can use Optimus. If you're not a Nigerian, you can use Bamboo. Okay, no. If you're not a Nigerian, let me know where you are. Oh, don't worry, we'll talk about this. You tell me the country you are, I will tell you the account you can use, okay? So to fund your wallet, when you go to wallet, you see fund wallet. If you are new, and you see fund wallet, once you create an account, you don't have an account number yet. So once you click this fund wallet, it will show you this Naira Bank account. If you open, you will see this account now is your unique account. FinTribe Women, the way we have our unique account for saving, that's how it works here. So this account number now, once I copy it and send money to it, automatically it will reflect. Okay, automatically it will reflect. So don't worry. Those of you in the World Builders that will join World Builders Academy, we are going to discuss. If you have an issue, just let me know. We will get someone as an account officer dedicated for you. For you, I tell you, this school, we have a class prefect that is strictly for stock. If you have issue with your app, let us know. We'll help you to resolve it. Okay. So this account number now, save it on your banking app. That is where you will be depositing money for your investing. Let me take a moment to say thank you so much for everyone that have joined the World Builders Academy. I won't even lie. When we were setting up this, you know me, I like small courses, and this is the first time I'm doing this kind of a thing because it's going to take over 3 weeks. I'll be with you, but I wasn't sure will people be interested in this kind of thing. But then because I don't know if any other person does something like this. I'm like, most people just do one-off course. But I'm like, let's do. But with the way a lot of people are like, I have paid, I have joined and everything. Our target for this first batch is 500 people. Yes, we are going to graduate 500 money champions, 500 world champions. Thank you so much for buying into this vision. Like this is, in fact, I don't know, I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much. I just show that someone in this class will get this 50K check by Sunday. Okay, so have you understood how you will fund your wallet? You don't need dollar. We are buying foreign stock in dollar, okay? We are buying stock. If you're outside Nigeria, don't worry, we have a link for you. We are buying foreign stock, but you don't need dollar, trust me. So once you take this account and send them money, it will reflect like this. Are you seeing this 8,003 here? Are you seeing this 8,003? Yes, BVN is required for you. Yes, the academy is recorded. There will be recordings. Once you send money, you'll be seeing this 8,000. So please, are you seeing this 8,000 something? I want to make sure we're on the same page, please. I want to make sure we are on the same page. Oh. I want to make sure you're on this. Don't worry, if you have any issue with your app, let me know inside the Wealth Academy. We have an account officer that would confirm it for you. We have people from Cameroon. Don't worry, we are going to do a question and answer section. I don't want it. You already spent 1 hour. Can you see? Okay, yes. Thank you so much. So once you send the money, you will see it here under your wallet as 8,003. Now it is a Naira, Abi, but you want to buy stock in dollar. So what we will do is to swap this money from Naira to dollar. We are going to convert it from Naira to, can you see this swap here? So this is my Naira wallet. I will click on swap. It will show you the exchange rate. This is the current exchange rate. Now, if I want to buy dollar, it's at 1,000. Everything is inside this app that is happening, right? Accept and continue. Review order. I want to convert 5K. I want to convert for 5,000. I will get $3.3, right? Review order. Click review. Swap 5,000 Naira. Please, are you with me? I don't want to swap this money, but because I want to show you step by step. Okay, we're on the same page. Thank you, Justina. So I will swap. Now, swap complete. I now have $3 to buy my stock. That is the first step. That is the first step. I have paid in money and I have converted it to dollar. Nice, got it. Now it's time to buy. Let's move. Still on the Optimus app. If I come back here home, you will see US stock, right? You will see US stock. I'm going to click on US stock. Let me say something. If this is your first time, I think on Optimus, there is a wait list, a sort of wait list, okay? When you come here, they will add you to the wait list, but within 24 hours, they're going to take you to the main listing. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Once I click on stock, it will bring me here. But if you are new, it will take you to a wait list, which is very fine, which is fine. So let's say I want to search for a stock. I will come here, search which stock should we buy. Someone should tell me in the comments. Which stock should we buy? Tell me foreign stock, any company you like. Let's buy their stock sharp. The market opens from, I think it's from 3 p.m. now. Sometimes it's moved from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the night. Sometimes it's 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. I don't know. Yes, we get recording. Which stock should we buy? Tell me, tell me. Are you with me? Okay, someone said Apple. Life of Pearl says Apple. Hey, Apple fans plenty here. Okay, let's start for Apple because iPhone people. This is Apple, AAPL. I will search for Apple. Do I have Apple on this app? I have different app for stock. Okay, I don't even have Apple here before. Nice. Okay, I think my Apple is on my portfolio. Abivest. That's what they're called now. So I have Apple. Buy Apple. Can you see here how much own? Apple is selling at how much? $191. When I bought my first app, I think it was $120 back then. $120. So Apple is selling at 191, but I have only $3. What thing I go do? Buying power is 144 because I had dollar before. Okay, I had dollar before now, so I can buy Apple. I can buy up to one something, but let's assume it's only the $3 I transfer. That's my 5K. For those that will say they have small money, we transfer 5K. It gave us $3.3. Yeah. So let's continue. So I will buy how much on do I want to buy? $3. Chicken, review dollar. For 3, I will get 0.02. I will get 0.02%, right? Now review order. This is my buy $3 of Apple. Yes, the price is 191, but this is what we call the price is 191, but I can buy any unit you want. And this is like a summary. Look at it. Trading wallet, buy. This is the price. This is the unit I'm getting, 0.01. This time, some people are asking, is it one off? No, it's not one off. I can buy $3 today. Tomorrow, I have $5. I'll go and buy again, $5. No, but let me show you something. Thank God we choose Apple because I don't have Apple here. So let's buy Apple. If this is fine with me, confirm. I will done. Apple order queued, done. Automatically, I have Apple completed. Can you see? Completed. So if I go to the list of my stock now, I will see Apple there. Let's go back. US stock. This is my stock. Can you see? See my Apple here. I now have Apple. If I scroll down, see it, total value $3. This is the 3. It's now in my portfolio, okay? It is now in my portfolio, $3. Are we following? So let's say tomorrow, some person I get another, I have $5 again to buy. Yes, fractional shares. Ibufuro, thank you so much. Fractional shares, that's what we call it. Buying in bits. Yeah, buying in a fragment. Do you know, I've been thinking of this words. The thing escaped my mind. Fractional shares. Thank you. So let's say tomorrow again, I tell myself that anytime I get spare money, I'll come and buy Apple. So I've got to spare money again. I will come back again. I will search for Apple. I'll search for Apple again. I'll put $5. This time around, I have $5. I'll come and put review order. Please, I hope you are following. I really need us to understand this. Review order. This is my order. Okay. Confirm. Done. Apple order queued. Done. Perfect. So now go to my Apple. Go to my overview. Can you see? Total value is now $8 because I had $3 before. Now I bought another one. It is now $8. If you are lost, that is going to be replayed. Please, are you following? So that is the goal. The goal, I can tell myself before December, I want to have total value of $100 in Apple. Okay? I can tell myself I want to have $100 in Apple stock. Are you following? So how do we, that is how you buy. Simple and short. Create your account, register, go and search for this. Once you fund your wallet, which I have showed you, search for the stock you want to buy and buy, which you've done now. So let's say I want to sell. Tomorrow, I don't want to do it again. Let's sell this same Apple we bought together. So all I have to do is to go to my list of stock. So this is stock on Optimus. I'll go to my stores. Which one am I selling? This is Apple. Let me open Apple. So because you can't sell what you don't have. So we bought Apple, therefore we can sell. So let's do sell. Sell Apple. How much? Oh, should we sell the whole $800? You can sell everything. But let's say we want to sell just $3. I need urgent money. We want to sell just $3. I will put $3 here. Sell Apple. Confirm. Instantly. Done. I don't sell them. Instantly done. Do you get? Although I think it will take is it 3 days for the money to drop in your wallet? But I have sold it now. If I go back to my list of Apple stock, my stocks, Apple, it remain 5 because I have sold 3. Can you see it? My value is now 5. It has moved from $8 to $5. Are we following? So I now have $8 remaining. On your Instagram video, you mentioned MTN pay dividend. Yes, MTN pays dividend, but we can't cover dividend here. But don't worry, in our Wealth Builders Academy, Nigerian stock is treated in details. Okay, so that is how you fund your wallet. That is how what have we treated so far? So far, understanding stock, we have discussed that. How to earn from stock, we've discussed that. The risk involved, how to know the companies to invest in. Oh, we skip this, we'll come back to this. How much do you need to get started? Any amount. You are here now. I bought with $3. You can buy with $1 too. How to fund your wallet? I have showed you. How to buy stock? I have showed you. How to sell stock? I have showed you. We are almost there. Someone will get to Q&A. So, how do you know the companies to buy? I asked you a question before, right? That if your friend comes to you now and asks you to invest in his or her company, what will you ask yourself? What will make you decide if you want to invest that money on that person or not? Can someone answer and type? Okay, don't worry. So there are different ways to decide the companies to buy, but I'm going to assume that we are total beginners. We have the technical analysis, which we can't go into because me, I'm not even doing the technical analysis. I'll not lie. I'm a chartered stockbroker, but I don't do technical analysis. Okay, so don't worry. In my company, we have a team for research. They do that. It's not my work. They buy for you, invest for you. Okay, so I now decide that to decide if a company is a good buy, there are some basic things you can look around you. You can ask yourself around you. Okay, for example, who are the owners of this company? All of us know Elon Musk, whether you like it or not. Elon Musk, I don't know if he wants to be an influencer but we have a history of building beautiful companies. All of us know Tenny Elumelu. Most of his companies are doing well. UBA is doing well. Transcorp is doing well. In fact, last time when they launched Transcorp Power, I didn't really plan to buy, but I'm like, since it's Tony, let me go and buy. I just bought small and they paid dividend the other day. Okay, so leadership can influence. What are people saying about this company? All of us, once we start using iPhone phone, we die on top of Apple. We die on top of iPhone because I don't know, you just get used to it. So you know that it's not only that is crazy about this stock. In fact, on my table now, I have my powder, MAC powder. I don't know, it's MAC listed. I know F is there's another makeup F. I can decide, a lot of people are using it, they like it or something. I can go and search which company is producing MAC powder. If the way I love MAC powder, so there are so many women that like it, that means I'm making sales back to back. I can go to their website or I can go to stock analysis. What was their revenue? Is the revenue growing? Just small research. I can go and invest in MAC because I feel like this is a household name. As simple as that. Okay, you can even say, what are the employees talking about them? So all these small questions. The other day we are discussing FinTribe, those in Oge's group, you could know. I think we said tomato has gone up. The discussion is which company is producing tomato because this is their cash out season. Do you get? They say well is expensive. Which companies are into oil and gas? So maybe this is their cash out season. It's small questions like this. So personally, these days I try to invest in only stable companies, not stable. How do I put it? Companies that I really believe they are innovation. Innovativeness is very important to me. That's one of the reasons I love Facebook. Do you know how many platforms that could have kicked out Facebook? But for some you will kick out Facebook, they will copy the living daylight out of you and they will remain on top. Okay, so these are some of the things, but let me be honest with you. The shortcut, I think I mentioned this before. I know many of us are busy. We don't have time to sit down and start asking all those questions. The shortcuts, you can depend on experts. Trust me. I don't know. I know they may say, why are you depending on me? Let's be realistic. How many of you come and sit down and be asking these questions? But what you can do, there was a day I mentioned it and said AfriInvest, they are this thing, stock recommendation they send every morning. So if I want to invest in Nigerian stock, I can decide, okay, let me see what AfriInvest will send today. When they send, they will tell you, buy this one, buy this one. It's not yet for me. AfriInvest, I should buy Honeywell flour. I will not ask myself, this Honeywell, which company is this? What are they doing? I cannot ask myself some questions. But an expert has given me pointer. I'm giving you shortcuts like this. So even like for foreign stock now, for foreign stock, there's one. I think I started with what's the name again? Monthly full. It's not free. It's paid. I think is it $100 or $200? I can't remember. So I look at their recommendation. I can now go and check. Okay, let me go and check. Okay, let's do something now. Let me go and let's do. There is a website I like using a lot. Let me share my screen. I think I've opened it here before. Let me share my screen. Stock analysis. Don't worry, I'm trying to round up soon. But don't, if you're in World Builders Academy, you don't even have to worry. You have a list, a long list of stocks you can invest in. We are going to share a list for you that have been researched. So I can come here. There is this company, NVIDIA. This company, now I bought it when it was 200 and something. Now it's 1,000 something, 1,128. If you are in Invest and Connect, you probably have NVIDIA. Enjoy. So I can come here now and say, Jennifer is talking about NVIDIA. Let me even look at what are they doing? What do they do? I can come and read about the company here. NVIDIA Corporation provides graphic, blah, blah, blah. NVIDIA is into AI actually. So I can come here and read what they do. Nice. They went into business and they listed in 1999. It's a big 9,000 staff. It's a big company. I can read all of these things, okay? Their revenue in 2023, NVIDIA revenue was 60.9 billion, an increase of 125%. I'll be like, oh my God, okay, this is actually a high growth. I can come back here, their financials. Don't worry, if you're not a finance person, this might, but let me show you the basic thing. I can come here, look at revenue. Revenue is money coming in. People are buying a bit. In 2020, it was 16.6. Here, it was 26. Here, the same 26. But here, it is 60. See that jump? I'm like, oh my God, that's nice. Okay, what else? And let's look at their gross profit. What's their gross profit like? Look at the trend. It's moving from here to here to here to here. You know, operating income, all of net income. There's some things you'll be looking at. So how is it going? These are basic things. And over time, don't worry, we understand. But if not, go with what the experts say. It will help you to even know what to look out for, the companies to look at, okay? What is happening around you? The economy can also determine which industry is doing well right now that we can key into, okay? So I think that is how to know your stock performance. Okay, for this one, I'm going to go back into my Optimus app. Some people say they don't have Optimus app. I'm going to send an email with replay, this class replay one, and then I will send the replay. I will send them what again? I will send the link again for people that want to sign up on Optimus. I will send the link, and I will send also the details for Wealth Builders Academy. Thank you so much, everyone that have joined the Wealth Builders Academy. I can't wait to meet you in our Telegram group, because trust me, it's going to be loud. Like the curriculum I have developed, and it's not only me. Something like Trust and Wealth, we are bringing experts to teach us how to draw up at this age, do I want to my children drop off education trust fund, right will, things like that. We're going to be covering it. So please, Wealth Builders Academy for tonight is 27,000. From tomorrow is 29, but the cost is 35. Join us today, and remember, someone from the class is going home with this check, with this 50,000 naira check. On Sunday, we'll randomly select someone. Thank you so much for trusting me on that vision. That is a 3-week school for people that are looking to build wealth, long-term, short-term. I'm going to teach you that some short-term investments you can do, 3 months, 6 months. We say that stock is long-term for years, but there are other fixed income investment. And right now, the economy is very nice for fixed income investing, okay? The economy is perfect for fixed income investing. I'm going to show you how to go into it. And there's an initiative we are launching. It will blow your mind. This one, I want to hold your hand. You see this investment, you must do it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. So I've dropped the details again. If you've not joined, please do that. It's only 27,000 naira for the academy. Trust me, the curriculum is way, way more than that. Go out to the Telegram group. Once you make payments, we'll confirm your payment and send you the link. Okay, please, let's move on. How do you know if your stock is doing well or not? Let me say this first. Sometimes your stock will go up. There are times you open your app, you will see red everywhere. Red means that the prices are down. Sometimes you will see green everywhere. Green is that the prices are up. There's some stock you put 100K. You wake up, you see 80K. Don't cry. That's how you will put. You wake up, you see 200K. It happens. So this is a new app I'm using. I was using Vest and Bamboo before. These ones are relatively new, but I bought these stocks, I think, from last 2 months. Let me show you something. Now, so this is a list of some of the stocks I have here. On this account, I'm a bit aggressive. On my main stock account, the only thing, most companies you see that solid company, Facebook, Meta, Netflix, all of that. Don't mind some of the things you are seeing here. Now you sabi. Don't worry, Wealth Builders Academy, you will get a list of stocks, like low risk stock, and you get the ones that are also, this one my, sorry. Okay, so let's take a look. For example, HACK is an ETF. ETF is a combination of other stock. We don't have time to go into deep of ETF, but those of us in Wealth Builders Academy will be fine. Let me open one stock and show you. Let's use one for analysis. This is my NVIDIA, right? So for NVIDIA now, in this app, I have average cost per share. When I bought NVIDIA in this app, it's 800 and something, right? Current share price, but right now it's 1,000 something. Total value, the money I have in NVIDIA is 264, right? Total gain, I have made $64 from NVIDIA because when I bought it, it was at 800 but now it is at 200 and 1,000 something. So I have made like $64. This is interesting because I just started using this app. Now, total percentage gain, I have gained at 2%. But today, the price dropped. The NVIDIA price dropped. So today's total gain for today, I have lost $4. But in total, I'm making 64. I hope that you understand. So this is it, percentage of stock portfolio. So all of my stock, NVIDIA is 19%. Don't judge my portfolio based on this. So don't say, now this 19%. I don't know in my entire portfolio. I try to diversify. I don't have too much money in one stock. So you have seen what is like a stock I am in profit, yes? Now let's go to the one that is losing money. Let me see, which stock am I losing money in here? My stock. Which one? HACK. Let me see, HACK ETF. HACK is an ETF. Let's see the summary for my HACK. Total gain, I'm losing money in HACK. So I have 2 units of HACK. Average cost, when I bought it, it was $61. But now it has dropped to 59. Exactly. In fact, if I have money, wait, so let me even buy. Hold on, I better go. Let me buy HACK. How much is it? 59. Let me buy a full unit. I love this ETF. It's one ETF I love. Those that will join us in Wealth Builders Academy, you will see HACK there. Why am I buying HACK? Because I know that this is a great stock to own. Now I have seen that the price has dropped. So allow me to buy small. Let me even buy 1 unit before the price will go up again. So that's the way I do my things. When I see these companies I like and they are dropping, and somebody will be like, oh my God, I'm losing money. For me, so if I believe in that stock, I will buy more at that point. Okay, all that queue done. Thank you. Let's come back. So for my HACK, when I bought HACK overview, it was 61, but it dropped to 59. So I am losing money in it. But I am not bothered. I'm losing like $4. I am not bothered because I believe it will go back up. Thank you to over 600 of you that are still on this call. I'm so grateful that they are here because trust me, that these are people. You've made the decision to be intentional with your money and you are still here 1 hour plus. You're on too like money, too like money, okay? But I'm so glad we are here. We are rounding up. Don't worry, we are rounding up. I just want to show you how to track some of these things so that when you are investing, you look at your app because people will say, I have stock, but I don't even understand what is going on there. Don't worry. So we say, I bought stock in so company. Now I don't know. If you are in Wealth Builders Academy, they are going to, those that say they have stock, they want to trade, if they want to recover, don't worry, we'll help you do that. All payments will be confirmed after the webinar, please. But we know there's people that are the first set that we are ordering something. So just like that, that is how you track those things. So you can see this one is green. Green, that means this stock did well today. This one is red, that means it dropped. This one is green arrow, it did well, just like that, okay? Let me see, this Mara is a crypto stock. I don't even know how it's doing. That's the thing. Sometimes I buy stock, I don't even check them because I know it's long term. I know I'm paying for long term. You see the nonsense stock, I'm losing money, but I'm not bothered because if I believe in this stock, that means everly it is to go back up. You see how I'm showing you the one I'm making money and the one I'm losing money. But in the long run, some of them will do me well, not all of them. Some of these stock, when they drop, they don't drop. Nothing, they don't drop. But let me see this one. So this is this company that are into charging points for electric vehicles. Oh, okay, nice. I bought it when it was $3, 3 point something. Now the price is 4 point something. There was a time the price got as high as 6 point something. But you see, what I bought it when it was 3 points. It went up as high as 6 point something. Now it dropped again to 4 points. Tomorrow I can wake up, I will see it as $3. It's possible. Next tomorrow I can wake up, I will see it at $10. It is also possible. And that brings us to my outline for tonight. We have been able to look through understanding stocks, how to earn from your stock, the risk involved, how to know the company to invest in, how much you need to get started, how to create your stock account. Okay, I sent you the link. Go ahead and create your account. And after creating, I've showed you how to fund your wallet. I told you the things you need. If you have a problem with your account, reach out to Optimus, okay? Reach out to Optimus. But if you're in World Builders Academy, don't worry, we're going to help you sort it out. We have a class prefect that is dedicated for you to sort out all of those things, okay? How to buy stock, how to sell. I've showed you all of these things. How to know your stock performance. We have looked at it. Thank you so much for being here. So now it's time for questions. I'm going to go to the comments now. Let me know all your questions in the comments. Onye, let me know all your questions. I will try to answer as much as I can before we call it a night. Over 600 people still here. After 1 hour plus, I fear who no fear all of you now. Listen, if you're able to join Wealth Builders Academy, trust me, that's like one of the world's best decisions. Unfortunately, the laptop here, I'm working on the curriculum. We said the curriculum, it's not here. The class is it's happening in July. It's starting in July. The first cohort is July, but join tonight. Tonight you pay only 27,000. From after tonight, it goes back to the early bird price. Early bird is 29, but after the early bird is 35,000. Nothing is going away. Let me show you now. If you go to the link now, this is our payments link. If you go to the payments link, what you see there is 29,000. See it, that's the early bird price. But because you are here, only 27,000. And after the early bird, it goes to 35K. This is the cheapest this academy will ever be. Next cohort after this one, not even asking the price. And we will have more people. Because those that will join the first cohort, they will be like, they will drag other people. You know how that's how we do our things. People join our program and then they go and drag everybody in because the value they will get, the community they will embrace. And then the program, I tell you, we are starting with the Wealth Builders Academy. We ensure that you see this your financial journey. It's on lockdown. So please, if you have not joined, the payment details is on the chat. The payment details is on the chat. Let us know. And one request I make, please hit the subscribe button. Our YouTube channel is all about side hustle ideas, business ideas, investment for beginners. You know, join our YouTube. Subscribe is free to subscribe. It's perfectly free to subscribe. And then I'm looking forward to seeing you on the Wealth Builders Academy. Please, once you make payment, send it to the WhatsApp group for confirmation. After this class, we'll start our confirmation. And on Sunday, someone is going home with this check, 50,000 naira check. Can you see there is no name? It has been signed with the amount. This is actually a gift. I'm giving it out. Let me sow into your life. Let me sow into your life. Imagine investing 50,000 naira by your retirement. Do you know how much 50,000 naira will be? Wait, let's do something. Let me show you something. I give you 50K. This 50K I'm giving you now. If you put that 50K, let's say you invest with that 50K, okay, 50,000, and you say that I will pull out this money they never gave me when I retire, I will say that interest rate is maybe roughly 12%, or we can be aggressive. Okay, let's leave it at 12%. And you say you want to leave it for 40 years, no deposits, and the compounding is yearly. Let's see. How much will this are sowing into your life make for you when you retire. Let's see. Can you see? See what my 50K will make for you when you retire. It is no longer 50K, it's now 4.6 million. So who is going home with this by 4.6 million? By 4.6 million. That is what I'm giving you. That is how you should be looking at money. Trust me, no money is small money. Now your 1,000, you are investing every week, every day. Like it's going to be a whole lot with oh my god, there's a particular calculator, a template I designed for Wealth Builders Academy class. I will give you that template. With that template, any decision you want to make, you can go to it and be like, let me even see this thing I want to buy. Maybe it's 500, but if I put this 500 here, how much will you pay in so amount of years? Or you want to retire with 100 million? How much do I need to start investing today to have this 100 million? These are some calculators I will give you inside the Wealth Builders Academy. So please, if you have not, it's not because I'm the one that created this class, that training, but I know what it is. This is like a school to discuss wealth, how to build and preserve wealth. And you know, a lot of people already have this money. There are some people that have a problem now. It's how to preserve their money. That is where we come in. So we start looking at trust. In fact, you don't have to draw a will when you have plenty money. This is time for it. We are going to have experts come in and take a class on that, okay? I'm going to start looking at your questions. I hope you have gotten value from this section tonight. I hope you have gotten, some people used to say free class, nothing. Please, what you will do for me? Just, if you post, just tag me, maybe on your Insta story. Let me know what you learned from the class. Was it worth it? Have you joined Wealth Builders Academy? In fact, if you have joined Wealth Builders Academy, I think I can randomly go and select some people. Esther, I said I'm going to give like 3 people, thank you, right? But post on your Insta story and tag me that you have joined Wealth Builders Academy. I will randomly select more people, maybe 2 more people or thereabout. Let's see, this is not because I have money, but I want to like, it's like so easy. I want to encourage you. Okay, Jennifer, I'm giving you 10K. Let me add more money. Let me add extra 10K to invest in this stock. That is my goal. Let it ginger you to actually take the step forward. Okay, let me see questions. I really enjoyed this section. It's a webinar, it's recorded for you. Yes, I'm going to send the replay via email. Yeah. What's the best stockbroker app for foreign stock? I use Optimus. That's what I showed us here. Please, will this video be available? Yes, I'm going to share replay. What is the how do I trade stock? I'm not a trader, I do more of investing. You can join Oge's account for Cameroon. Honestly, right now, I don't know for Cameroon. Maybe later we'll research. I don't know, but I know for Ghana, Bamboo works in Ghana. If you're in UK, Trading 212 works for UK. Can someone pay in installments? Yeah, when the price gets to the standard price of 35K, that will be an installment plan. But for now, for this night, it's 27,000. Can one pay? I've already answered. If a stock consistently loses value for over 2 years, is it good to, is this a good investment? So why did you buy that stock in the first place? That's what I asked myself. Let's say I invest in a company because they're doing well, but over time they start changing some things. Let's say I invest in Facebook because I feel like it's a good social media platform, but small they say no, they don't want to do social media again. They want to go into fashion. I mean, I don't want to own stock in fashion. I will go. So why did you buy? There's some, I've sold some stock because I feel like I don't understand this stock again. Let me tell you the truth. There is one stock I bought, $300 and something. Ask me the stock of that price, the price of that stock today. I think it's like $6 or something. From 300 to $6. I still have it. When I have time, I'll go and just read up on that. Let me see what I'm even doing currently and decide if I'm not doing it again. Some stock can bounce back, but the truth is some will not bounce back again. Will BlackBerry still bounce back? I'll leave it to answer that. For Ghana, please use Bamboo for Ghana. What app can I use to monitor my stock portfolio? In the app you bought it in now, you see my own. I went to the app I bought it. I'm able to see how it's doing. Thanks a lot. What's the name of the last stock you mentioned? Honestly, I don't know again. Oh, I can't remember. How can you retrieve money from your stock wallet? How can you retrieve money? So when you sell, it's on your wallet. You now put it back to Naira. Unless on Optimus, you can withdraw in dollar. Okay? On Optimus, you can withdraw in dollar. Someone is asking account details for Wealth Builders. Please, I'm sending it to you, my sister, my brother. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody in the academy. Thank you so much for joining us. Let me know what you think of this class. So it's honestly, I enjoyed the class. I had invested in a startup company, but it folded. Since then, I've been having cold feet to invest. Thank you, Jenny. So sorry, my dear, but don't worry. Make sure you join Wise Business Academy because there are some fixed income. Let me tell you the truth. Stock investing is not for everybody. Some people don't like the idea of their money going up and going down, and that is perfectly fine. So what is good for you is fixed income investing. Trust me. And in fixed income investing, because your interest is fixed, we are going to be diving into all of this in our academy. I will show you how to go into. That's the good thing. When you're an investment, as an investment banker, you know all the hot deals. So we are going to be teaching all of these things. The academy is a school, yes, school for wealth. School for wealth, first of its kind. They're not coming to be teaching theory, practical things. See how you do, see the form, see how you do it. Do this practical things. So I'm saying I earn someone. Don't worry. A system for you able to be saving without your small amounts. Okay. How can I make payment from Turkey? So if you're outside Nigeria, we have the link. Please reach out on that WhatsApp link I shared. Reach out to the WhatsApp link. We'll share the payments link for you. You can with seller. You can pay from anywhere in the world with seller. Okay. So I don't know if I'm still looking at the comments to see if you have questions or anything. Please, oh, beware of scammers. I will never come to your DM to tell you anything about investment or the WBA Academy. I will never do that. So if you have questions, send us a DM on the FinTribe on Instagram, please. Oh. How long can one wait before he start withdrawing for investment? Like I said, stock is long term. If I buy any stock now, I'm not selling it. So it depends. When do you want? What is your goal? Are you investing in this stock so that when you want to marry, you will use the money? Are you investing in stock so that when you retire, you will see what you can now start selling and start balling? Are you investing because you want to buy a property in the next 10 years? So it depends. When that time reach, has your portfolio done well enough? Yes or no? If it has done, go ahead and sell and withdraw your money, chicken. Huh? Okay. When does Nigerian stock market open? It opens by 10. 9:30, but active trading start by 10 and close by 2:30. Okay, so if you're Wealth Builders Academy, we have a class specifically for Nigerian stock. Nigerian stock is amazing. They pay they pay dividend very well and everything. And if you're interested in fixed income investing, we got you covered. If you're interested in how to invest for your children, we got you covered. Protecting your wealth through trust and will. Anything that works for you. Saving and building wealth, even on a small budget, creating your own personal statement and everything. All of this is available on Wealth Builders Academy. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have subscribed to the YouTube channel, God bless you. I post videos mostly weekly, every Wednesday, though I've not posted for a while because exams and everything, but we'll still start. And if you're on our channel, you already know now, we used to do gifting, stock gifting and everything. So please, let me know what you think about this class. Post on your Instagram stories, tag me, let us know what you think, and see you on Wealth Builders Academy. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to send an email now with details of the replay and everything, okay? We have almost 500 people that stayed to the end. That's amazing. Good night, everyone. Good night. I'm going to end the class now. See you inside the Wealth Builders